Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons. In some sciences, we work with extremely large numbers, for example, in engineering and astronomy. In other sciences like biology and genetics, in laboratory, we usually work with extremely small numbers. In this video, I'm going to explain how to multiply numbers written in scientific notation, and in a couple minutes, you also would be able easily to do it on your own. So here's a problem. A tiny biological sample has been measured to be this number. I even don't want to read it. Wide, meters wide, and this meters long, and this meters high. What is the volume? First of all, let's convert all these numbers in scientific notation. So the first number in scientific notation is going to be, we move this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to the right. So we are going to get 2.56 times 10 to negative 6. Now let's check the second number. In order to convert this number in scientific notation, we have to move this decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places to the right. I hope you understand that in order to find the volume, we have just to multiply widths by lengths and by heights. So we, after conversion of the second number, so we have to multiply widths by lengths, and after conversion, the length is going to be 1.4 times 10 to negative 7. Now let's convert to scientific notation last number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places to the right, so times 2.75 times 10 to negative 4. So as you see, here we have only multiplication sign. That means that we can easily rearrange all these numbers in any order we want, and this is not going to affect our calculation. So let's first use alike numbers. For example, this number here, this one here, and this one here. So let's multiply them. 2.56 times 1.4 times 2.75. And we are going to get 9.856. Now let's multiply other alike numbers. So this is going to be this, and these numbers. 10 to the negative 6 times 10 to the negative 7 times 10 to the negative 4. The base in these numbers is the same, 10, and the only difference would be exponent, which is different. So minus 6, we just have to add to minus 7. We are going to get minus 13 plus minus 4. It's going to be minus 17. So we are going to get 10 to negative 17. And now we just have to finish our scientific notation using our previous calculation here and here. So our final answer is going to be 9.856 times 10 to negative 17. And also don't forget, when we measure widths, for example, we measure in meters, the same with lengths and with heights. But when we got a volume, we are going to get cubic meters. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.